Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn job seeker preferences and reset search filters step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website by entering www.linkedin.com in the address bar. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the Me icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the Me icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section labeled Job Seeking Preferences. Click on Job Seeking Preferences to access this area. Here, you will see options related to your job seeker preferences. To turn off your job seeker preferences, look for the toggle switch. Slide the toggle switch to the left to disable job seeker preferences. A confirmation prompt may appear, confirming the change. Once you confirm, your job seeker preferences will be uninstalled. Next, scroll up to the Search Preferences section. Click on Search Preferences to manage your search filters. You will see various filters that you can adjust. Review the filters and make any changes as needed, such as location or job type. If you want to reset all filters, look for a Reset button or option. Click on the Reset option to clear all selected filters. Confirm the reset when prompted. Once done, exit the settings by clicking the X or close button. Your job seeker preferences and search filters have now been successfully uninstalled and reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.